Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, today I'm going to be showing you the Speak to Me spell with the Speak to Me spell kit that you can get at the Parlor of Wonders. So just so you know what comes in the spell kit, you get a lip-shaped candle. You also get Talk to Me oil. And you get packets of herbs that go along with that spell. So we have deer's tongue, pink salt, lemon balm, and depending on what color you choose, you'll get a fourth herb that goes along with the intention. You also get the full instructions on how to do all of this. So whether you're watching me here or you read the instructions, you'll have everything that you need to do that. Now, depending on what color candle you choose, you're going to focus your intention in a different way. So for example, if you get a white candle, a white lip-shaped candle, you're going to use that for cleansing. That's for removing, clearing any kind of negativity in between someone else and getting them to speak to you. A Speak to Me spell is to get someone to talk to you, and maybe there's some aggressive energy or negativity and you want to clear that away. You would use a white colored candle for that. Or, you might want to have, maybe there's a block of some kind, communication block. You're not able to contact one another, or, you lost someone's phone number. There's something that's blocking the two of you from being together. Then you'd want to have an orange candle to remove those blocks. If you had an argument, or you broke up, or you and your friend broke up, or you and your lover broke up, you wanted some kind of reconciliation, then you would use a blue lip-shaped candle to do that. You might want to have a more romantic thing. Maybe somebody is thinking of you as a friend and you want those words, maybe they're a little bit shy, maybe they're thinking of you as a friend and you want more romance and you want them to speak to you romantically, then you'd pick a pink candle. And finally, we have a red candle, and the red candle is used for passion. You want them to speak passionately to you. You really want to amp that up. Maybe they're hesitant to speak those words and you want them to open up, or you want them to feel that fire. We would use a red candle. So, depending on what color candle you use, the fourth herb will be something specifically for that intention. Now you're going to need to supply some things on your own to make this spell complete. You're going to need a tray or a dish to work on, to burn your candle on. You're going to need a knife or a nail to inscribe that candle. You're going to need a petition paper and a pencil or pen to write that petition. You're going to need matches or a lighter to light the candle, of course. And you're going to need either a piece of cloth or a brown bag to take those candle remains and wrap them up once you're complete with this spell. So once you've gathered all that together, you're ready to start your spell. So the first thing you're going to do is to write out your petition paper. That helps you to focus. And I like it when we start with that petition paper first, because it allows you to think about what is really this spell for. So we're going to get, let's say for example, we've got a red candle. We want someone to, let's say we're going to have someone propose marriage to us. I want my lover to propose marriage to me. So you would write that intention on your petition paper. My lover proposes to me. You can just write whatever it is that you want. Once you've written that out, you just write that out simply on your petition paper and you set that aside. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to write your lover's name, who it is, your target for this spell. You're going to write their name on the lips candle. So for example, you would have Mary Jones, John Smith, whatever it is. You could write their name on it. So once you've written their name, inscribe their name with that nail or that sharp implement, you're finished and set that aside. Now you're going to put that oil on your candle. So we have Talk to Me oil here at the Parlor of Wonders, which is specifically made for that intention of opening up that communication of any kind. And we'll put some of that oil on our hands and then put it on the candle in an upward motion from the base toward the wick, right? Just apply that oil all over. Now the oil is going to help the herbs to stick to the candle, so you want to make sure to get it in all the nooks and crannies if you can. Now the first herb we're going to apply to this candle, we're going to speak specific words. Deer's tongue is used to open up communication, to make the communication be clear, to open up that good communication, that positive communication between you and someone else. So we're going to take that deer's tongue And we are going to sprinkle it on top of that candle and say the words, you will contact me, you will speak to me, you will share the words of your heart, whatever it is that you want. But basically you're saying, you will contact me, you will speak to me as you do that. Now we're ready to set that candle onto our tray. So we fold our petition paper toward us because we're bringing in something that we want to bring toward us, right? And then we're going to place that candle on top of that petition paper. And you can press that candle down. It's a beeswax candle. You can press it down so it's nice and sturdy, standing strong. The next thing you're going to do is to sprinkle the next packet, which is pink salt. And you can open that up and then sprinkle that around the candle. Now, pink salt is used to clear or cleanse a situation. So as we're sprinkling this pink salt has a very gentle, loving energy because of the color pink. It has this very sweet energy to it. So as we're sprinkling that around, we'll say the words, all negativity blocking our communication is removed, right? We're using that salt to cleanse the situation. Maybe there's something that's preventing somebody, fear or a situation or nervousness or whatever it is. You know, we can sprinkle that around and remove that negativity, remove those blocks, right? All right, once you've done that, now you're ready to work with the third packet of herbs, which is lemon balm. Lemon balm is also used as like an opening energy, you know, removing blocks. It's kind of smoothing things over, calming things too. So as we sprinkle this around in that path that we already sprinkled the salt, we can say the path to our communication is made smooth. So we're opening up, again, kind of opening up the opportunity for that communication with that lemon balm. And then finally, we have that last packet of herbs. And this is where you're going to create your own petition. You're going to speak your own petition for what it is that you want. The same thing that you wrote on your petition paper. May my lover propose to me. May my lover open up his or her heart. May the communication between us be loving. May I hear more loving words. May I hear from them. You know, whatever it is that your intention is, right? And you sprinkle that around. Now we're ready to light our candle for our spell. You get your matches or your lighter out. And you light your candle. Now you can say, so be it. Some people say, so mote it be. Some people like to say, it is done. Some people like to say their petition over again. May my lover communicate clearly his or her passion toward me, right? There you go. Now, you want to let that candle burn completely. If you go to sleep or you leave the house, however, you want to snuff that candle out. You don't leave an unattended candle burning. So you snuff that candle out, you don't blow it out, and then you relight it once you return or once you wake up again. Once the candle's complete, you want to take those spell remains, wrap them up in your cloth, or put them in the brown paper bag, and you want to keep them in your home. You can put them away in a drawer, put them underneath your mattress, hide them away somewhere. You keep that until your spell is complete and you have the result that you're wanting. So there you have it, a Speak to Me spell done with the Speak to Me spell kit available at the Parlor of Wonders. Thank you so much for joining me here. I'm Madam Pamita. You can find me and many other spells and all kinds of good stuff, including the tools to do spell work at my site, Parlor of Wonders. Thank you so much. See you again soon.